Hi everybody! Mastering dealing with layer is very important to work fast in After Effects. To select layers by numbers in a full-size keyboard, not laptop, you can press 2, 2, 5, 8, 1. If you want two layers, for example 12, you press the two numbers quickly. 1, 2. To select the 12 layer, 1, 3 to select the 13 layer. By pressing these numbers, you can select the layers very quickly. Or you can press the first number, for example 1, then shift 2, 1, shift 2. Then you jump to the 12 layer. And if you press shift and the number again, for example 5, 5, you can press shift to toggle the selection on and off. I here press 1, 1, 1, I go to layer 11. If I press 1, so only the layer 11. If I press 1 again, it appears or select and deselect it. If you are using a laptop, you can add a USB number pad to your laptop. You can also rename the layer by clicking right click, then rename, or by only pressing enter. Hit enter and then you can rename this layer. And you can click here on the column layer name to toggle between the two names, the descriptive name you give to the layer and the original name in the project panel. This is very useful when you have if you use the layer multiple times and you rename it descriptively and you want to know the original name, you can hold here to toggle between the original name and the descriptive name. That's it. Thank you. See you next.